All right, here's the next one. Because remember, in the court case, there's 77 different filings to date. Okay, and that also includes the correspondence by the judge and so forth. Um, this one here is for my Aboriginal, Indigenous, culture driven folks that was like, Queen, what about our rights and culture and all that? And, we've been here and this is our natural land. I got you. All right, so document 53, which will be on the website as received 53, National Protection Act. That is for you guys, okay? In this filing, basically what I say to them is I establish an act to protect your cultural rights, right? It's called State of Loc Nation Global Public Benefit Corporation National Cultural Heritage Protection Act. And the purpose of this act is to establish a comprehensive framework for the preservation, security, management, insurance, valuation of national cultural treasures, including family heirlooms, ensuring the protection for the future generation. All right, this one here is 6 pages, okay, of framework to protect all your emblems, all your heirlooms. Your grandmama got jewelry, or you got that family Bible, or like my family, we have the knitted blanket. So that's sort of like our color of coats. My grandmother also has her Bible that used to be where we recorded the births, the weddings, and deaths of our family is in there. So these acts will protect those cultural goods because that is society. Part of society is the culture. Now, the reason why we struggle as a people to unite is because our culture is divided by where your lineage is. So if you're from the island, the culture is a little bit different from an African culture, but somehow the same. And if you're from the States, it's kind of different than from an islander. However, or if you're from Brazil or you're from China, the culture, your environment, the religion, and your community alters what that looks like, right? So we have to go with an open mind to understand that we can unite under a code respecting all the individual cultures, just like the movie Black Panther, when they all were from different tribes, but they all came together for that one common event when they were choosing their next king, right? So you saw they all came, the people with the plate in the lip, and then the ones that were acting like dogs, and the other group with all the painting on their face. So that's sort of like us. We are all individually having our different cultures that should be respected and honored, like your own, like locks. Locks is a culture, right? This is our artifact of faith. We make this vow to align ourselves with the Most High and align ourselves spiritually within, right? So it's kind of like a healing and a growth, a spiritual journey that we go on. That's a culture that should be respected and not treated like it's a criminal act or plastered all over the news like we're just unruly type of people. No. So that's what this is, okay? This is the protection. So what you guys need to do, if you say, well, how do I help? How do I help? Start getting your attorneys to go start using these laws to represent you in court, okay? Have them start pulling these up and say, Your Honor, according to the majority party National Cultural Heritage Protection Act, okay, they are in violation and they owe us. That's what these are for. These are for your legal protection when you're being wronged, because you have no armor or no protections when you're going into a courthouse with the understanding and the teaching of laws, primarily with the focus of the minority party. That's why when you say, how come when a white person and a black person do the same crime, the black person gets more time? Because he don't have no protection rights. The other one does. Okay, so we got that understanding? Cool. Love you. I'm going to post the next one so you get an understanding. Again, the case is in District of Columbia, 124 CV 00479 RC. The people who do not have mental illness, please pay attention because this judge is not following the rules. But if there's more eyes and attention on it, then we can get him to finalize this default judgment so I can now take that and file the lien on the land records. Okay? Stay tuned for the next video.